Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. In this conversation, we are going to continuation of exercise from 1.2. Okay, now I am moving to question number 2, subdivision third. So we have to find the rank of the following by row echelon form concept. Okay, the given condition is there. So solution. So first what we have to do? What is the meaning of row echelon form? When starting the non-zero digit under the two term, value will be 0. Listen, first 3 is there, but last row minus 1 is there. Comparing minus 1, it's very easy to become a 0 under the two term. So what we have to do, just rearrange the first term, R1 interchange R3. So R1 interchange R3 means what will happen? Minus 1, true, 3, minus 2. Then R2 as it is, true, minus 5, 1 and 4. R3, 3, minus 8, 5 and true. Now, so when starting the non-zero digit under the two term, we have to show 0. Again, R2 gives R2 plus 2 into R1. Again, R3 gives R3 plus 3 into R1. So R1 as it is. What is our R1 term? Minus 1, true, 3, minus 2. Now R2 what is the value? Each and row 1 multiply into 2. So into true, into true, into true, so into true. Minus 1 into 2, minus true. Therefore true minus true value will be 0. Next one, 2 2s are 4, minus 5 plus 4, minus 1. The next one, 3 into 2, 6, 1 plus 6 value will be 7. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 4 minus 4 means value will be 0. Next condition, R3. R3 value 3 is there, isn't it? So, we have to rub it now. Now, into 3, no? So, here also into 3, into 3, into 3, into 3. Now, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 3 minus 3, value will be 0. True 3s are 6. So, minus 8 plus 6, value will be minus 2. Next condition, 3 3s are 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Next one, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 2 minus 6 means minus 4. So, now, starting the non-zero digit under the 2 times 0. Next, minus 1 is. So, under we have to show the value will be 0 for minus 2. So, what we have to do? R3 gives R3 minus of 2 into R2. R1 R2 as it is, minus 1 true, 3 minus 2. Next one 0, minus 1 7 0. So now 0 minus 1 7 0. So R3 time we have to rearrange, isn't it? So R3 R2 comparing means 0 and 0. So directly we can write 0. Next condition R3 means minus 2 is there. Center minus again 2 into R2 value minus 1. Therefore minus 2 minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel means value 0. Next condition 14, isn't it? So 14 is there, minus 2 into 7. So 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Last condition minus 4 is there, but R2 comparing 0. Therefore directly we can write it. Answer will be minus 4. Now we have proved this is a row echelon form. Then we got to check it. How many rank is there? So number of non-zero row, first row also non-zero row, second row also non-zero row, third row also non-zero row, because third row minus 4 also is there, no. Therefore, how to finish the answer? Number of non-zero row is equal to number of non-zero row is equal to 3. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 3. Okay, I will continue the next question. Okay, be stay on the line. Question number 3, subdivision 1. Okay, from exercise 1.2. Gauss-Jordan method. Find the inverse of each of the following by Gauss-Jordan method. 3 subdivision is there. One by one we can discuss. Okay, moving to subdivision 1. Solution. The given condition, the argument. So 2 into 2 matrix it is, and this is called 2 into 2. Therefore, we can write it A I true. So argument, that means the given question true, minus 1, 5 minus 2. Augmented matrix with identity means 1, 0, 0 and 1. Now look at there. First we have to make it for 1. What we have to do? R1 consider for 1 by 2 into R1. Therefore, so 1 by 2 means 2 by 2 value will be 1. Again minus 1 by 2. Next condition. Again 1 by 2 0. R2 as it is. What is R2 value? 5 minus 2 0 and 1. Now next condition. So next condition, look at there. R1 we have to finish. The next one we have to, so 5 equal to 0. What we have to do? So R2 gives R2 minus 5 into R1. R1 as it is. What is R1? 1 minus 1 by 2. Then positive 1 by 2 and 0. Next condition R2. R2 what is the value? 5 minus again 5 into R1 is equal to 1. Therefore 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. The next one R2 value. R2 value minus 2. Center minus 5 into R1 means minus 1 by 2. Therefore minus 2 minus into minus plus 5 by 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 5 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2. This is called positive 1 by 2. Next condition. So next one R2 0 minus 5 into R1 1 by 2. Therefore we can write now directly minus 5 by 2. The next one only 1 is there, comparing R1 0. Therefore we can write it 1. The next one here we need to 1. Therefore into 2 means definitely value will be 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 to cancel. Therefore again R2 gives 2 into R2. R1 as it is 1 minus 1 by 2, then positive 1 by 2 0. So now R2, just to rearrange it. So what will happen? R2 considered 0 comparing means directly write 0. Next one 1 by 2 into 2 means 2 to cancel, value will be 1. Then next one minus 5 by 2 into 2 means 2 to cancel, minus 5. Last condition also 2 into 1, directly we can write it true. So now the final one we have to modify now. This is 0, isn't it? 0 means first this is we have to make it 1 means what will happen? This is actually 1 into minus 1 by 2 is there. So next what we have to do? This is equal to for 0 means just comparing the R2. So R2 means R1 gives R1 plus minus 1 by 2 into R2. Positive 1 by 2 into R2, okay. Now R2 as it is. What is R2? 0, 1, then minus 5, 2. Then R1, look at there, R1, R2 comparing means 1 and 0. Directly 1 plus 0 means, sorry my dear, 1 will come, isn't it? Next condition is an R1 value minus 1 by 2. Then plus again positive 1 by 2 into 1, isn't it? Definitely negative 1 by 2, positive 1 by 2 cancel means value will be 0. The next condition, look at there, R1 value positive 1 by 2. Then plus again 1 by 2 into R2 value minus 5, isn't it? So minus 5 means definitely 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Therefore 1 minus 5 by 2. Therefore minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 means value will be minus 2. The last one. So last one, see R1 value 0 plus 1 by 2 into 2. So 0 plus 1 by 2 into R2 value 2. Definitely 2 to cancel means value will be 1. Now we can say no, the argument value converted for identity matrix with the true. Therefore A inverse is equal to minus 2, 1, minus 5, 2. This is answer for subdivision 1. Okay, I am moving to subdivision 2. So I am moving to subdivision 2, okay, from question number 3. What is the question? By Gauss-Jordan method means this is actually, we know, 3 into 3 matrix set. So 3 into 3 matrix set means augment comparing with I3. Therefore, the given question 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3, identity matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now look at there. First, what already 1 is there, isn't it? Directly we can apply. R2 gives R2 minus R1. Then again R3 gives R3 minus 6 into R1. So therefore, condition R1 as it is. What is R1 term? 1, minus 1, 0. Then 1, 0, 0. R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Listen very carefully. 0, already 0 is there, so minus 1, isn't it? But common one more minus also is, therefore positive 1 will come. Next condition, minus 1 plus 0. So minus 1. So R2 minus R1, this is correct, no? Because minus into minus plus, therefore 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Next condition, minus 1 minus 0. Directly we can write it minus 1. Next condition, 0 minus 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 0. 1. 0 minus 0. 0. Next condition, each and every time into 6, isn't it? So into 6 means R3 value already 6 is there. 6 minus 6 into R1 value 1 is there. Therefore positive 6, negative 6, 0. Next one, R3 minus 6. So minus 2. Then minus 6 into R1 value minus 1. Therefore minus 2 minus into minus plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 means positive 4. Next condition, R3 value minus 3, isn't it? Minus 3 minus 6 into R1 value already 0 is there, isn't it? Therefore no need to consider because 6 into 0, 0. Minus 3 only. The next one, 0 minus 6 into R1, 1 is there. 0 minus 6, minus 6. Next one, 0 and 0 comparing means value will be 0. Next condition, 1 minus 6 into 0 means only 0, isn't it? So 1 minus 0 means value will be 1. Now, after getting 0, then diagonal term 1 is there. Opposite side we have to show 0. Therefore, first R1, isn't it? So R1 gives directly R1 plus R2. Because 1 minus 1 means directly we can write it here 0. So then similarly R3 gives R3 minus 4 into R2. Now R2 only as it is. R1 means what will happen? R1 plus R2. Therefore 1 plus 0 means 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Next one, 1 minus 1, 0. Then 0 plus 1. Value will be positive 1. Next 0 plus 0, 0. R2 as it is. What is R2? 0, 1, minus 1. Minus 1, 1, 0. Then R3 value, look at there. R3 means... So R3 means 0 is there. 0 minus 4 into R2 already R3 and R2 comparing only 0. Directly we can write it. The next one, R3 value 4 is there. Minus 4 into R2 value 1. So plus 4, negative 4 cancel means 0. Next condition, R3 is equal to minus 3. Then minus 4 into R2 value already minus 1, isn't it? Therefore minus 3 minus into minus plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 means positive 1. The next condition, listen very carefully. Next condition, R3 minus 4 into R2. R3 is equal to minus 6. Then minus 4 into R2 value already minus 1 is there. Therefore minus 6 minus into minus plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 means value will be minus 2. Next one, already R3 value is 0, isn't it? So 0 minus 4 into R2 value 1 is there, isn't it? 0 minus 4 means value will be minus 4. Next one, R3 value 1 is there. Directly we can write it 1 because 4 into R2 comparing 0 is 0 into anything, value will be 0. So next step, listen, already 0. Next term only directly we can write now because R3 we have 1 is there, diagonal term. Then opposite side 2 term we have to do 0. Therefore R1 gives R1 plus R3. Similarly, R2 gives R2 plus R3. Therefore, R1 plus R3, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Next one, R1 plus R3, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 1 minus 4, minus 3, 0 plus 1, 1. Then R2 means R2 plus R3, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, 1 minus 4, minus 3, 0 plus 1, 1. R3 as it is. What is R3 term? 0, 0, 1. So minus 2, minus 4, 1. Now look at there. This is definitely we can say identity matrix with 3. Therefore, A inverse is equal to. So final answer, A inverse is equal to minus 2, minus 3, 1. Then minus 3, positive 1. Then minus 2, minus 4, positive 1. This is answer for subdivision 2. Okay. I will continue the last question from exercise 1.2. Be stay on the line. Subdivision third question, the argument term comparing with I3, because this is called 3 into 3 matrix set. So now the given condition 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 2, 5, 3, 1, 0, 8, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Look at there. First already 1 is there, isn't it? So under the term we have to show 0. So what we have to do? R2 gives R2 minus 2 into R1. So R3 gives, directly we can write it R3 minus R1. So what will change? R3 minus R1 is there. First one, R1 as it is. What is R1 term? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 0, 0. So next condition. So R2 is equal to R2 value 2 is a 2 minus 2 into R1 value 1. Now we can say no, plus 2 minus 2 cancel means value 0. Next condition R2 5 is there. 5 minus 2 into R1 value already 2 is there. So 5 minus 2 into 2 means minus 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to value will be 1. Next condition 3 is there. 3 minus 2 into R1 value 3 is there, isn't it? So R1 value 3, therefore 3 minus 6 value will be minus 3. Minus 3. Next condition 0 is there. 0 minus 2 into R1 means 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Next one 1 is there. R2 comparing 0. Therefore directly we can write it 1. 0 and 0 comparing means 0. Third row. So third row directly we can write it because already given condition also R3 minus R1. Therefore 1 minus 1 0. 0 minus 2 minus 2. 8 minus 3 positive 5. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 0 1. Next term, isn't it? So next one already diagonal 1 is there. Opposite side we have to show 0. Again R1 gives R1 minus 2 into R2. Next condition. Here already minus sign is there. Therefore R3 gives R3 plus 2 into R2. R1, what is the meaning of R1 gives R1 minus R1 value already 1 is there. So 1 and R2 comparing 0. Directly we can write it 1. Next condition R1 value 2 is there. Then minus 2 into R2 value already 1 is there. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel means value 0. Next condition 3 is there. 3 minus 2 into R2 value already minus 3 is there. Therefore 3 minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to value will be 9. Next one R1 value 1 is there. 1 minus 2 into R2 value minus 2. Therefore 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Next one R1 minus 2 into R2. Therefore 0 minus 2 into R2 value 1 is the 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Next condition, R1 value already 0, isn't it? So 0 means we can write directly now. What we have to do? 0 and 0 comparing means we can write it here 0. Now, this condition is clear, no? R1 gives R1. R1 value, what is the value? 0 is 0 minus 2 into 0. Minus 2 comparing, R1 value already 0 is there. So, minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Next one R3, isn't it? R2 as it is. What is R2 value? 0, 1, minus 3, 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0. Minus 2, 1, 0. R3. So, R3 gives R3 plus 2 into R2. R3 value already 0 is there. 0 comparing with R2, definitely 0 and 0 comparing, 0 will come. Next condition, R3 is equal to minus 2, but positive 2 into R2 value, minus 2 plus 2 cancel means 0. Next condition, 5 is there. 5 plus 2 into R2 value, minus 3. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Next condition, look at there. R3 value minus 1 plus 2 into R2 value minus 2, isn't it? Therefore, minus 1, 2 into 2 minus 4. Therefore, answer will be minus 5. Next one, again R3. R3 already 0 is there. 0 plus 2 into R2 value 1. 0 plus 2, true. Last condition, R3 value 1 is there. Comparing R2 0. Directly we can write it 1. So now already 1, 1, 0 also is there. Minus 1 we have to show the 1, isn't it? Therefore, what we have to do? R3 gives R3 divided by minus 1. R1, R2 as it is 1, 0, 9. Next condition 5, minus 2, 0. Then R2 also 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0. R3 each and every time divided by minus 1. 0 means 0, 0 means 0. Minus 1 divided by minus 1, positive 1. Minus 5 divided by minus means positive 5, isn't it? So, minus 2 will come, minus 1 will come. Then, so next condition, diagonal completely 1 is there. Third part we have to 2 times 0. So, we have to consider R1 gives R1 minus 9 into R3, isn't it? Next condition, R2, no? R2 gives R2 plus 3 into R3. R1, R2, isn't it? So, R1 is equal to first condition, R1, R3 comparing, 1 and 0 comparing means directly we can write it 1. Here also 0 and 0 comparing, write it 0. 9, look at there, R1 value 9 minus 9 of R3 value already 1 is there. Therefore, plus 9 minus 9 cancel, value will be 0. Next condition, there 5 is there. 5 minus 9 into R3 is equal to already positive 5 is there. So, 5, 9 5s are 45, isn't it? So, 5 minus 45 is equal to minus 40. Next condition, R1 value minus 2 is there. Minus 9 into R3 is equal to also minus 2. Then minus 9, minus into minus plus 18. Minus 9 plus 18 means 9. Next one, R1 value 0. But R3 value already minus 1 is therefore minus 9 into minus 1 means positive 9. Listen very carefully this time. So R1 0, isn't it? Sorry my dear, this is actually, look at there, already minus 2 only, no? So minus 2 only. Then 18 minus 2 is equal to, there is only 16, isn't it? But next condition is correct. Next condition, R1 is equal to, value will be 0. Minus 9 into, minus means minus into minus positive, 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Now next condition. Next one, R2 gives, isn't it? But plus is there. R2 value, R2, R3 comparing means R2, R3 already 0. Directly we can write it. Next one, 1. already R3 comparing value 0 is, so directly we can write it 1. Next one minus 3 and R3 is there. Listen, R2 value, so minus 3 plus 3 into R3 value already 1 is there. Definitely minus 3 plus 3 cancel means 0. Then added it minus 2 plus 3 into R3 value positive 5. Therefore 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. Then next condition R2 value 1 is there. 1 plus 3 into R3 value minus 2, isn't it? Therefore 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Then next condition 0 is there. So 0 comparing, listen very carefully, because 0 plus 3 into R3 value already minus 1. 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. R3 as it is. What is R3 times 0? 0, 1. So 5 minus 2 minus 1. Now we can check it. This is I3, no? I3 form. Therefore A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to minus 40, 16, 9, 13, minus 5, minus 3, 5, minus 2, minus 1. So this is answer for subdivision third. Okay. I hope you are satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. I will continue the next session. Bye bye.